Hello guys, welcome to another video. Welcome. Today in this tutorial video I'm gonna show you how to do a farm, how to do the farm like this. So hello, welcome to this update video tutorial farming video about how to. So now I have this is the update video. I hope that your 170 plants are doing nice like mine. We got so much to talk about today because things are different, so I have to tell you about things in this because they're different. Like I use those two things, the yellow and the orange thing. They're very important. They help me do farms. You can see here, if you can see here, you can see that I have you do the farms. You see this helps me do the farms. This is very good for the farm water. Yeah, that's what that's for. I could show you. It's in HD. That's what it's good for. That's why I like this one, because it's in HD. You know, it's HD for the farm. Everyone knows that HD is good for the farm. And here is my fertilizer. This says fertilizer. That's what it says. But I don't have any. I used it. And yeah, this thing is very important. As you can see, welcome to the video about the farm. Yeah, today I'll show you about this plant. Now I forgot to tell you what this one is. I forgot again. But this is silver beet. It's really got lots of iron and vitamins. The vitamins are good for your bones, probably. I don't know. So yeah, this is my farm, and this is how you do it. You just do this. And it's important that you get some magnets, put them on your greenhouse, because the wind doesn't like magnets. But this magnet doesn't work right now. I have to make it more magnet. Alrighty guys, so welcome to the video. Comment below if you want more content, and I'll learn how to use a keyboard, and I will say some things to you about